Okay, we're over here at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to factoring trinomials. And we are looking at 5.2. 5.2. So let me write that down, 5.2. So we have 4x squared minus 17x plus 15. So you should be trying to work this thing out as fast as you humanly can. Alright, I got it written down. We're going to write it down again. 4x squared plus minus 17x and plus 15. So like I said, these things can be puzzles. There's no doubt about it. So we have a 1 and a 4 or a 2 and a 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4 or 1 times 4. So there's the possibilities of the coefficient there. And then we got 15 down here. So 1 and 15 or 3 and 5, which is good. Alright. And then of course, we also want to look at, hey, can we factor a number out of all of this, maybe to simplify this thing down? And the only thing, it looks like the GCD is 1 of these two coefficients in this constant here. So, okay, no luck on that. Alright, let's see. I'm going to write a 4x here. We'll start with that. Now, there is a systematic algorithm that you can actually use. I've been doing this, skip over here, no real algorithm in figuring this stuff out. But let's try to maybe come up with one. Okay, so we're going to use that. And then let's look at these guys here. How's that? Okay, and we want to get a 17. So I know that if I put 15 here, 4 times 15, that's going to be a little too big, isn't it? That's 60, and then a 1. But if I put 15 here, 1 here, let's do that. Let's put a 15 here and a 1 here. So that would be 4x and then 15, 4 and 15. I don't think we can muster up a 17 on that. So let's eliminate that guy. Now let's check 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. Now 4 and 5 is 20. And then you have a 3. And if we subtract 20 minus 3, we get 17. If we had... we got a positive. That means that both of these are going to have to be negative. Just seen that. And darn it, because that would have gave us 17. See, that's negative 20 minus 3 is negative 23, and that's not going to work. Wow. So it's not going to be a 4 and a 1. It's got to be a 2 and a 2. Because we just went through all the possibilities, right? Wait a minute. I think... Hold on before I jump to conclusions here. Let's put the 3 here just for the heck of it and the 5 here. So 4, that's negative 12. And negative 12 and 5 is negative 17, isn't it? Wow, I just about skipped the answer. So 4x minus 5 times x minus 3. Yeah, 4x times negative, that's negative 12. And then minus 5x is negative 17. And negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. So we just about bypassed the whole thing. That wouldn't have been good. And what's going on here? 5. Do we have a plus sign or a minus sign? 4x minus 5, x minus 3. Okay, I'm not exactly sure. 4x minus 5. I don't know why in the world I got it written like that, but I mean, it's equivalent, but the problem of it is I don't know. Just trying to mess with you, I guess. You know, you can factor out a negative here, factor out a negative here, and a negative times a negative is a positive, and you just end up with that. So that's kind of bizarre. They're both equivalent, but it's kind of bizarre the way this is written. But I mean, it's the answer, so there you go. Oh my gosh, we're over here at gotomath.com having a great time. See you in the next problem, maybe.